Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I welcome you again in online classes, Pakistan International School Thai. This is mathematics class, video number 8. I am Mr. Imtiaz Kamar. Today we will do page number 16 of the book. So what is the page number 16? Subtraction. We have already done some questions of the subtractions with the help of lines. Today I will do without lines, but when you will do in your book or notebook, you take help of the lines, because subtractions is difficult for you in this level without lines. You can draw lines in your book and as well as in your notebook. Question number 3 of the page number 16. So there are 12 parts of these questions. So let us start from part number A. The question is 65 minus means subtractions, minus 47. So first of all, check we can subtract 7 from the 5. No, it's mean I will borrow 1 from the tens, mean from the 6, and 5 will become 15, and then we can subtract 7 from the 15, and when I will take 1 from 6, so 6 will become 5. Okay, so again I remind you, first we subtract the numbers under the ones. So 15 minus 7, so you draw 15 line and then cut 7 lines, and then what will be reminder? 8. So if you cut 7 lines from 15 lines, 8 lines we left, and we will write 8 here. Okay, but here actual digit is 6, but I told you I borrow 1 from 6 to make 5 15, because it is not possible you can subtract 7 from the 5. So 5 minus 4, draw 5 lines here and then cut 4 lines, so 1 left and you write 1 here. So 65 minus 47, answer is 18. What is the answer? 18. Okay. The question number B part, question is 72 minus 25. 72. So first of all, we subtract 5 minus 2. It is possible? No. It's mean we will borrow 1 from this 7, mean from tens, because 7 is tens. So from 7, so it becomes 12, because when we borrow 1 from here, it's mean we are taking tens. So 2 plus 10 become 12. So 12 minus, so when we take 1 from 7, so 7 reduce and becomes 6. So then first we subtract 5 minus 12. So how it possible? You draw 12 lines here, then cut 5s, and what will be left? 7. 7 will left. So we will write here 7. Then draw 6 line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then cut 2 lines and 4. We left and we write 4 here. The answer is 47. 72 minus 25. Answer is 47. C part. Question 51 minus 28. 51 minus 28. First of all, check the ones. 1 minus 8. So it is not possible. So 1, because 1 is the 1 is smaller than 8, then I will take 1 from 10s, mean I will borrow. So 1 becomes 11s and 5 becomes 4. Then 11 minus 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then cut 8 lines. Then you will cut 8 lines. So 3 will left. 3 lines left, and you write here 3. 4 minus 2. So draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then cut 2 lines, and then 2 left. 2 lines left, and you write here 2. Answer is 23. 51 minus 28. Answer will 23. Okay. D part. 33 minus 19. 33 minus 19. First of all, we will check once. 3 minus 9. So 3 minus 9 are not possible. Again, we will borrow 1 from 3, because 3 is the tens. So it means we are taking tens. So 10 plus 3, it becomes 13. So 13 minus 9. So draw 13 lines and then cut 9s. So 13 minus 9, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. Here 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 33 minus 19 is equal, the answer is 14. E part. 90 minus 26. 90 minus 26. So first look, once 0 minus 6. 0 minus, it is possible? No, because 0 is smaller than 6. So it's mean again we will borrow 1 from tens. So it becomes tens. And then 9, when 9 gives 1 to 1, so it becomes 8. So now we'll start the subtraction. 10 minus 6. So draw the 10 line here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then cut 6 lines. Then cut 6 lines. So answer is 4, because 4 lines we left. So answer is 4. So 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. Draw 8 lines, then cut 2. Answer is 6. We have already done these subtraction with the help of lines in previous video. So keep those methods in your mind, and then you can easily do this ones. Next, F. 44 minus 27. 44 minus 27. Again, 4 is smaller than 7. So we will take 1 from tens, mean we will borrow 1 from, and 4 becomes this 4. This 4 becomes 14, and this 4, because this 4 gives 1 to ones, so it will reduce and become 3. 14 minus 7 and 3 minus 2. Now we will use these numbers in black colors, not in the white, in black. This 14 and 3. 14 minus 7, 3 minus 2. First we will do 14 minus 7. So draw 14 lines, cut 7, and it answer will 7. And 3 minus 2, 1. Answer 44 minus 27. Answer will 17. Okay. Next G part, 83 minus 48. 83 minus 48. Again, I think all questions, the first number is smaller than the second one under the ones, not tens, ones. So 3 minus 8, not possible. It's again, we will borrow 1 from this 8, and it becomes 13, and 8 will reduce and it becomes 7. Okay, then now we'll, so 13 minus 8, 7 minus 4. First we will do tens or ones, not tens. Start from the right side. 13 minus 8, 5, and 7 minus 4, 3. 35 answer. 83 minus 48, answer will be 35. H part, 54 minus 36. 54 minus 36. Again, 4 minus 6. 4 is less than 6, so it is not possible to subtract 6 from the 4. It means again we will take 1 from 5, from tens, from 5, so it becomes 14. It becomes 14, right above, little above 14, and 5 reduce and it will become 4. Okay, now 14 minus 6 and 4 minus 3. So first from the right side, 14 minus 6, 8. Draw 14 lines, then cut 6 from these 14, and how many lines will left? 8, and you will write 8 under the ones. 4 minus 3, 1. So keep in your mind, write the answer of ones under the ones, and answer of the tens under the tens. Some boys write maybe the answer of ones under the tens, and answer of the tens little left side, little forward. So keep this one, answer should be under the related ones, answer under the ones, and 10 answer under the tens. I, 98 minus 89. 98 minus 89. 8, again 8 minus 9. So 8 is smaller than 9. So again we will take 1. We borrow 1 from 9s, from 10s. So 8 becomes 18. So now can we easily subtract 9 from the 18, and this 9 becomes 8, because this 9 gives 1 to 8. So now start from the right side. 18 minus 9, 9, and 8 minus 8, mean both are equal. Its answer is 0. So 98 minus 89, answer will be 9 only. You can read 0, 9 or 9, no issue. The next J, 73 minus 47. 73 minus 47. So 3 minus 7, again I have to take 1 from tens, mean we will borrow, it becomes 13, and 7 becomes 6, means because when 7 gives a number digits, so it will reduce and it will become 6. So now start subtraction. 13 minus 7 and 6 minus 4. So 13 minus 7, 6. Again, draw. You must draw the lines. Without lines, it means you make mistakes. You must draw lines, 13 lines, then cut 7s, and again count how many lines will left. So 6 lines will be left, and we add 6 here. 6, 7, 6 minus 4. Right. Draw 6 lines, cut 4, and the answer will be 2. So 73 minus 47, answer is 26. K pot. 25 minus 18. 25 minus 18. 5 minus 8. Possible? No. Again, take 1 from 2. Mean I will borrow 1. So 12, it becomes 15. It becomes 15 and 2 becomes 1. So 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. Draw 15 lines and then cut 8. So answer will 7, and 1 minus 1, 0. Which means overall answer will be 7. 25 minus 18, answer is 7. And the last part of this question, 75 minus 47. So check under the ones. 5 minus 7 possible? Not. Again, we will borrow 1 from the tens, mean from the 7. So it becomes 15, and 7 becomes 6. So 15 minus 7 and 6 minus 4. Now it is possible to subtract 7 from the 15. When we subtract 7 from 15, the answer will be 8. How it possible? Because you will draw 15 lines and then cut first 7 lines, and so 8 will be left, and cut 4 lines and 2 lines will left, and so 2 is our answer. So 75 minus 47, what will the answer? 28. Okay, so first you watch this video at least 2 times, and then you will do in your book and in the notebook. If you have no notebook, no problem, don't worry, do in your notebook if you have no book. So next also we will discuss the table of 5. Start with, let me read. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Again read. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. This is very easy table 5, but how will you practice? You will memorize. Stay alone in the room and then read loudly. Okay. You can send me video of the table homework. Again, to page 16 in book and notebook. And if you have book, then you will. If you have no notebook, don't worry, do in your notebook and memorize first, and then write the table of 5 in your notebook. Okay, I hope you understand. Inshallah, I will see you in next video. Allah